All right, just left the chiropractor. Ooh, that feels good. That feels great. I was actually off a little bit, so that was a good thing that I did save my chiropractic visit until Friday because I leave on Sunday. So that was kind of good. I'm kind of glad of that. So they suggested a pillow to sit down on. I have a back brace. Anytime I travel long distance driving, I wear a back brace. But I even have, they suggested like a little plain cushion that you sit on. So I'm gonna go try to find that today sometime at Walmart. I don't have time to order it at Amazon, so I'm gonna look at Bed Bath and Beyond or Walmart or something like that. See what I can find. So let the race begin. Let the race begin. It's countdown time. Well, that's only 10:57. Okay, not too bad. All right, so I got like 2 days. 2 days. So again, this is my journey to Africa. So enjoy the journey with me. All right, I'll see you soon.